to post with us, please. Lahat po ng mga legitimate members, please. Pakita nga na mo ito.
Alin na kayo? Upo na kayo dyan.
Pasensya na yung mga nagpapakain po dyan. Stop muna kayo. Stop. Stop lahat. Stop. Let me call on. This certificate is being awarded to and proudly presented to Silayan Community Center. Let me call on Abe Gutierrez. Abe, come forward. Sila Garcia. Sila Garcia. Asin Garcia. Here, her. Mrs. Garcia. Yan, dyan lang. Dito kayo sa harapan. Dito kayo sa harapan. Sila Annabel. Annabel, come forward. Come forward. Para sa inyo to. At saka lahat ng si Lorenzo, nabigyan po namin siya ng award, yes. Florence, halika muna. Halika. Yan. Lahat po ng real members na kakilala ko ho, na taga rito. Ito, yung madalagang yan, matagal yan dito. Sumama na ho kayo. Let me invite all members. Muntik na ako mamatay. Heart attack, 2 stroke. Yung may mga galit sa akin, patawarin niyo na po ako. Pasensya na ho. But God gave me this second life para ma-recognize ko po ang aking kaibigan dito sa Silayan Community Center. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the oldest member and advisor, dating presidente, etc. Kasama pa namin si Mrs. Rubio, yung unang-uning yung presidente. Sila Jean Lara, at saka marami pa hong iba. Ladies and gentlemen, let me award this to Nora Takulan. Palakpak naman ho, palakpak. Nora Takulan, come over please. Nora Takulan. Ayan, wala po siya noong 28 eh. So, bibigyan ho namin ko ng pera, marami ho. Doon ho kayo sa tabi ni Sir Ben. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, our community leaders. Ito po, yes. Okay, next po, isa pa hong community leader ng GAFA, yung autistic, yung Global Advocacy for Autistic Awareness. Ladies and gentlemen, yung Vice President po niya, hindi po namin nabigyan. Bibigyan ko po today, Alinel Pontamillas. Yes. At napapansin nyo doon sa dulo, si Annalyn. Ito, Annalyn, ikaw yun. Ikaw tinuturo ko. Pero nung siya tinatag na last will, yung testament, halimbawa may nangyari sa atin, then you could get that free last will and testament. That is $600 worth. Walang bayad para sa inyo because of birthday po ni Sir Ben Ferrer. Okay? Bibigyan po namin kayo. Yung may gusto, lumapit po maya-maya. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been here in Wellesley many times. Hindi po ako biro. Dati po akong elected officer po rin ng Silayan. Okay? Dati rin po akong director ho ng Silayan at sponsor po kami ng Silayan for many years. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, let me have the honor to call on another community leader. She is from Mississauga. Bibigyan ho namin kayo ng diamonds. Wow! Hindi po ako nagbibiro, hindi ako sinungaling. Bibigyan namin kayo pero sa March. Not now, okay? Pero ladies and gentlemen, this husband and wife have been servicing the Filipino community and they are members of Hoy Maharlika. Hoy means Hope Offer for the Youth. We assist 400 plus students, scholars, summa cum laude valedictorians in the Philippines from Manila, Quezon City, right up to South Cotabato. Ladies and gentlemen, let me give this Community Service Award to Miss Ana Andaya Bru. Yes. Palakpakan mo ito na. Okay. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, another community leader from Brampton. Actually, Mississauga and Brampton. She has been servicing the Brampton seniors. Napasama po siya sa Hoy Maharlika. Nagsaservice po siya sa Hoy Maharlika. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Kitty K. Hello, friend. Kitty K. Bilis. Mamaya niya. Marami kaming photographer dito. Yeah. Also, ladies and gentlemen, Serben received 2017 the Dr. Chito Colliantes Excellence Award on Leadership, and this time I'm gonna give him the Lifetime Achievement Award. Ladies and gentlemen, Serben Ferrer. Palakpak naman po kayo. And along with his tawagan ko po itong mga kanyang mga kasamahan. Bibigyan po natin ng Community Service Award. Miss Pamela Mission. Dito ka. Yes, Pamela Mission. Okay? Dito nga ikaw tagabigay. Next. Tatawagan ko po si Cora Paulino. Ayan, ka Cora. Dito ka. Dito ka. Replace ka muna. Replace ka. Okay? Maharlikans. May dessert pala eh. May dessert. Okay? All Hoy Maharlikans. Ladies and gentlemen, last week we had a big affair at West End Steak Restaurant. Okay? And we had lobster and steak for our New Year's Eve celebration of Hoy Maharlika. So, sandali lang, mamaya na ho yung picture. Sandali, nasan na yung ano natin? Sandali po. Ladies and gentlemen, let me have this honor right now to provide the Certificate of Community Service and Leadership Award to Sir Benjamin Ferrer. Palakpakan po natin. From Hoy, Hope Offer of the Youth.